Hello, we're going to make a video, and this video will demonstrate running a simulation application from the NVidia Development Toolkit sample code. It's actually the NVidia Cuda development kit, and this simulation will provide some graphics that look like fireworks. Okay, let me go up a second here. We're now in the NVidia Cuda development kit samples, and we're going to go into simulations. So that's number 5, simulations. We'll do an ls, and we're going to go into the directory that says NBody. Okay, and we'll do an ls, and NVIDIA is very nicely written up all the code, and it's even made a make file for us. So all we have to do is type make, and it will compile the code that we're going to run and make a nice executable. And it's compiling away here. Okay, one of the things that I did before I ran this code was I did source an environment script, and let me cat that script for you. Okay, so that's the script, and you can see here basically I'm not sure why it didn't. Okay, so there's the script. It exports the path so that we have the binaries for the CUDA, and then it also, the load library path, it also adjusts that. So if you type that script up, you'll have the environment script. Let me go back to the directory where we were. Now type ls. If you remember, we ran a make, and so it created that program called NBody. So we're going to run that program. Okay, and what it does is it makes some nice fireworks type stuff there. And I've mentioned this before on other videos. My card that I'm using to do this GPU processing is a GTX 760. It's a mid-range card, low to mid-range I should say, and the fan's going pretty hard on it right now as this is running. Okay, and so it'll keep going, and but that's all there is to running the NBody program on the NVidia Cuda development kit sample code. And we'll go ahead and exit out. Okay, thanks for listening. I hope that was entertaining.